Telecelghana as an organization is corrupt. Telecelghana as an organization is stealing from the people. Cause tell me why, say, you carry data put there. You say the data is non-expiry, right? So one family non-expiry. When you open the app, it is there. You can see. These are the receipts. One family non-expiry. One family data is non-expiry. I paid 1,045 CDs for it. I get my 1 terabyte data. I say, make I use some small. In the bab. Because every day they buy month. No, Charlie, the money they go. So you said the data is non-expiry. I bought the data 1 month per the data all expire. Meanwhile, I had like 874 gigabytes on it. When they call you, they try to talk to you. You know they give you any better answer. Say it's not supposed to be non-expiry. What by on your app you put them there that it be non-expiry. So why have you put? Are you deceiving people or what? Cause give me my money back. Give me my balance. You know wrong. Give me my balance. What they go on? Telecelghana. Oh nah, this thing not fine. You not fine at all. Cause Charlie 1,045 CDs, I go fit take do something. Why in my right sense will I buy 1 terabyte for 1 month? 1 terabyte for 1 month. How will they make sense? How I go use 1 terabyte for 1 month? Telecelghana, if you do better, I swear me I go there your top sir. If you not fix my issue, give me I go there your top sir.